Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show this simple plant that is made for beginners. For the materials, you can click on my description below. Now let's begin with a magic ring. Chain and do 6 single crochet inside the ring. For round 2, do a increase in each of the stitches or 2 single crochet each of the chain for 12 stitches around. Round 3, single crochet each of the chain for 12 stitches around. For round 4, do a front loop only in the first, insert your hook in the next chain in the front loop only, and decrease. Again, insert your hook in the front loop in the next, and in front loop in the next chain, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2, and repeat for 6 stitches. Round 5, single crochet each of the chain for 6 stitches. Round 1, magic ring, chain, and then 6 single crochet inside the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then for round 2, do a single crochet in the first, and then increase in the next, or 2 single crochet in the next, repeat single crochet in the next, and increase in the next for a total of 9 stitches. And then for round 3 to 20, just repeat single crochet each, spiral for 9 stitches. Once done with the round 20, fill with stuffing. For round 21, do a 4 front loop only decrease.